Hey y'all. Oh, I'm shiny. Anyway, I just finished doing my client's hair, and I have been seeing this around the peach cobbler factory, so I'm gonna try it. I got the sweet potato pecan cobbler, so there's just a little spoon. I guess this is the sweet potato pecan. That's what it looked like. Napkins. A little card, QR code. I don't know what this is. I really just ordered it because they had like a bunch of options. They got over 12 flavors that you could order from, and you could get them in a shake, a cobbler, banana pudding, or I think on a waffle or something. It's like a lot of different ways. So since it's my first time here, I just wanted to kind of see what they have. This is cold, so I'm assuming it's ice cream. I didn't really realize that it was ice cream. I did see something on the top of it, but I thought it was like an icing or something. God, this top is secure. I will say that. I need to hurry up. Supposed to be on the road headed home. Okay now. Oh, can't even see. Got the sun. Let me see. There you go. This is definitely ice cream. It don't move. But okay. It tastes good. It tastes like vanilla ice cream with seasoning.
Transfer complete.
That's my, y'all gonna hear that if I'm ever recording in my car. That's my Bluetooth connecting, like my car connecting to the my phone connecting to the car. It's good ice cream. I need to chill though, because I'm lactose intolerant, and I don't have time for the ice cream shenanigans tonight. I don't really read directions when I go into restaurants sometimes. I just kind of order what looks good. I gotta sell these folks establishment so I be on my 600-pound life. I'm almost there here. All right. This is hot or warm, you know. So I'm assuming this is the cobbler. It smells delicious. You can actually smell it before you open it though. Obviously, you can't turn this upside down. So I guess when you mix both of them, the hot with the cold. Okay, it's a lot of nuts on top. Let me try to get a scoop of everything. Now, I didn't get peach cobbler because I don't really like the textures, the texture of pecans. I mean, of sweet. I don't really like the texture of peaches when they're peeled. But it's sweet potato pecan. Sweet potato pecan. Okay. Trying to stop chewing. All right. So, good thing for me, because I don't like a lot of nut-based foods because the nuts be too crunchy. And I don't like all that noise. And I don't like crunching and all that. I can't stand it. Funny enough, I also don't like food that's too mushy. Anyway. But you would think my big ass wouldn't have food aversions, but I do. It tastes like a sweet potato souffle. If you ever had sweet potato souffle, that's kind of what it puts you in the mind of. It is good. I could see what they were doing with the with the ice cream, because it's warm and cold, warm and cold. It's hot. So when she gave me the bag and I saw 2 bowls, I'm like, tastes like a sweet potato pie and a pecan pie all together. Not really getting much of a cobbler. I thought a cobbler supposed to have like a biscuit bread base. That might be what I'm trying to show y'all the inside. That might be this little it is sweet. So if you got like diabetes or something, this probably ain't for you. I wish I would show y'all the inside. Hold on. That's what it's looking like inside. So far so good. I do like it. It is very sweet. I would say have some water on standby. This is something I'm probably gonna rise back up on this later on for dessert. Babe wants to go to Crumble Cookie. We can go there and get whatever the dessert for the week is that he wants to get. I'm definitely not gonna get none because I got this and I got this. I don't need that. It's gonna take me about 2-3 days to eat this because it's so sweet. I'm gonna eat the ice cream though. Definitely tear the ice cream up. Probably ain't gonna make it home. Now I ain't gonna hold you. But yeah. I like the Peach Cobbler Factory. I don't think we have one in Fayetteville. I'm in Smithville, finishing up with a client. I know there's one in Raleigh because I ride by it when I'm at work. But I don't know if there's one in Fayetteville. But if y'all ever buy a Peach Cobbler Factory, go ahead. Try it out.